They speak, sie sprechen. They speak, sie sprechen. They speak, sie sprechen. Notice the pronunciation of the S, sie, sie. Notice it's also lowercase s, sie sprechen. Do they speak? Remember to reverse the subject and verb word order. So instead of sie sprechen, to ask the question, you would say, sprechen Sie. Remember, this is do they speak. Sprechen Sie. Do they speak? Sprechen Sie. Do they speak? Sprechen Sie. Sprechen Sie. Now this sounds a lot like sprechen Sie Deutsch if someone were asking you formally, do you speak German? It's the same pronunciation of the word, but in this case it's lowercase, so you have to recognize the difference when you read between sprechen Sie and sprechen Sie. They sound identical. Notice the words for Sie are spelled the same, however, the U is with a capital S and the they is with a lowercase s. So, sprechen Sie. Listening, you can only tell by context, whether it's, for example, if you ask the question, sprechen Sie Deutsch? It could mean, do you speak German? Or it could mean, do they speak German? And only context will tell you. Okay, so we have English, 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 German, Deutsch, German, Deutsch, German, Deutsch. So let's review with languages that you know already. Sie sprechen, they speak. Do they speak? Sprechen Sie. And again, notice it's a lowercase s, so this means do they speak, not do you speak. Sprechen Sie, do they speak? Do they speak Russian? Sprechen Sie Russisch? Do they speak Dutch? Sprechen Sie Niederländisch? Do they speak Norwegian? Sprechen Sie Norwegisch? Do they speak Arabic? Sprechen Sie Arabisch? Do they speak Japanese? Sprechen Sie Japanisch? Do they speak Chinese? Sprechen Sie Chinesisch? Join me for the next lesson by clicking on the video that appears here on your screen, and I'll see you then. Auf Wiedersehen.